अच्छा लगता है, बट उतना ही अच्छा लगना चाहिए जिससे किसी को हर्ट ना हो. I wish you all a wonderful journey with Lalita Devi Institute of Management and Sciences, and wish you all make your career sky high. Thank you so much. And in case you want to know anything, write in the chat box. I'll answer in the chat box. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. May I now have the privilege to invite the keynote speaker for the day, Mr. Vikas Dikshit. Sir is working as a scientific officer at National Informatics Center, NIC, at the Prime Minister's Office under Ministry of Electronics and IT, Government of India. He is presently a member of Prime Minister's Pragati Project. He takes care of video conferencing services and meetings for the Honorable President, PM, and Cabinet Ministers, Government of India. He also happens to be the National Treasurer of Central Executive Body of All India NIC Officers Association. Sir, I welcome you to our orientation program and request you to please motivate our students. Over to you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Please confirm my audio. Hope you are getting it. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Honorable Chairman Lingias Group and Professor K.K. Garg sir, Honorable Dr. Durgesh Tripathi sir, Professor Jaskiran Kaur ma'am, and other distinguished speakers, my dear friends and colleagues. This gives me immense pleasure that here we are now going to put my views, my experiences, and what we are learning from the industry and academia in front of our new generation who is going to carry forward the future of India. So, friends, no doubt, as earlier told by many honorable speakers, that today is the new journey of your life, because now from normal academics you are entering into the professional world. Here, along with your degree program, you have to learn lots of attributes, key skills, and technology which is relevant to the market and required inside the industry. So friends, as you know that 21st century is the century of technology, and lots of emerging technologies are coming, and definitely each and every has a beautiful scope of career, and you have to plan your career from today itself only, what you are basically looking forward in your future, what you want to be and what you want to contribute for your nation, for your family, and for your career itself. So according to that, you have to plan your complete academic things. But my submission is that, my dear friends, in professional world, in technology, practical is more important. What here we feel in industry is that most of the students are coming with their degree, but normally they are lacking the practical hands-on experiences. So that is the major concern. Market is flooded with jobs. We are not able to get good manpower for required skill set. So that is the main concern that we have here, and I think we should focus on it. Even I will request to all faculty members and members who are involved in this whole process, rather than just as earlier told by ma'am, that we should not focus only on on marks and being a topper inside the institute. It is not a factor to get a success. The thing is that you must know the technology, you must know how industry is going forward, and you must be fit for that kind of requirements. That is the major requirement, and that should be with you. Along with your degree program, the most important thing is that you must learn professional skills that are highly needed. It means you must have good leadership skills. You must know how to present and how to put your views and how to participate, as told by ma'am, that participation is very much important. If you will not participate, you will not get confidence. And confidence is the major quality of any leader. So, my dear friends, whenever you get a platform to participate, always participate. Never skip out that opportunity. So that is the another requirement. And no doubt, dear friends, now India is one of the greatest and strongest country of world in technology. We are leading, as earlier told by Tripathi sir, that now just recently Twitter got CEO from India itself only. So that Twitter is just one of the example. Friends, I just want to tell you that now, just like Twitter and all, we have our Indian products. You might have heard about Koo. Now people are talking about it. Koo is quite equally featured and empowered with that kind of technology that Twitter is having. So now people are moving. You might know so many our products are inside the market. You know that during pandemic, we were the one of the best country in whole world which are able to tackle the complete situation with the support of the technology. I just want to inform that you might know during that curfew, definitely movements were banned, but after that, our administration and our relevant staff was able to monitor the things, to manage the things, to administer the things with the support of the technology, because we are now having one of the richest infrastructure and tools in terms of technology. Technology is definitely a driving force and for an important factor for growth of any nation. And now it's quite good news for us that in current technology world, we are the leader and we should prove our skills and we should show that Parag is not it's just an example. Lots of upcoming youngsters are coming to replace them and to take the opportunity for upcoming companies. So friends, it is not just only the computer science. Technology is playing vital role in each and every course and each and every segments. If we talk about BBA program, definitely you might know now the complete marketing strategy moving from the physical marketing to digital marketing. You might have heard about the strength of the digital marketing. Nobody can avoid right now. So that is again the beauty of technology, because now 50% population is over the social media. So you can impress, you can promote, you can inform about your services, about your product, and about your skill set to the consumers. So that is again a strength of technology. When we talk about the media earlier, it was told by sir that no doubt now digital social media is again a very powerful tool in terms of journalism and media. Here you have enough power to convince, to motivate, to inform the people. And with this, you might have heard about a few news that Facebook and a few other platforms misused their powers to create a momentum, to create a polarize voters for certain segment of parties. So this is the beauty and this is the strength of the technology. So my summation is that whatever course you are doing, whether you are in journalism, whether you are in BBA, whether you are in computer application or in any other segment, but technology is definitely going to play a key role. Without technology and without the knowledge and without hands-on experience of it, you cannot be a leader, you cannot be a game changer in coming words. So that is an important factor. Second thing is that since this is a new kind of culture, earlier you were in 10+2 another, so that kind of learning was something different. But here you have to learn, you have to think, you have to search, and you have to implement. All these things are important. Only going through the syllabus and going through the books is not enough for your success. That is highly needed. You must think out of the box, try that kind of practices and generate your interest and take the help of the available tools and technology. Lots of tools are available for learning, as told by man that even Google is and other so many other platforms. You can get lots of videos related to upcoming technologies. As you know that right now, if you talk about the certain important upcoming technologies, so you can adopt any domain, because everywhere you get sky is the limit if you are really serious for that kind of technology, you might have heard about artificial intelligence, machine learning. So this is again one of the upcoming trends and technology where you can think, you can learn, and you can plan your career. It is again a highly paid domain and definitely a good scope in future. You might have heard about data mining, data warehousing, data science. Again, one of the vertically growing field. You might have heard about it, and no doubt Python is again a programming language related to it. If you want to work with the top companies, so you can choose this particular technology, and it will give lots of career growth to you. And if we talk about full stack development, that is a development kind of platform where you can develop client and server kind of applications, and you can choose full stack development as a career. And now companies are paying 40-50 lakhs kind of package, so in just 3-4 year of experience. So you are lucky enough that now you are living in the era of technology where you have to effort less and you can get more. Just as told by the man that earlier when she was doing PhD, lots of traveling was required. It was quite difficult to search the things and relevant research papers and data. But now, with the support of technology, all these things are just a click away from you. So you just utilize these resources. You just enjoy the situation in which you are living, and you have to plan according to that. Again, one of the most important emerging area is robotics. Robotics, as you know, there are lots of things are basically going to in automation mode, and robotics is going to play a key role in that particular era. So robotics is another area where you can plan. And again, one of the most important is cloud computing. You might have heard about clouds. Even the application what we are working right now, this Gmate, is basically deployed in cloud. So cloud is one of the vertically growing area and one of the very beautiful area where you can plan your career, you can think to learn, and you can work in that particular direction. So that is the again. And one very important, as you know, that lots of gaming companies are working, and virtual reality and augmented reality is another buzzword. You can learn and you can think about that. That can be one good future scope for you. And Microsoft is seriously working in that particular direction. And one more buzzword is blockchain. Blockchain is again an emerging technology. And if you are really serious and curious to know the new things, so you might have learned about the blockchain, which are basically for digital currency and all. So that can be a area, and I think you might get all these things in your syllabus in your career. And 5G technology is coming, so in that particular sector you can also plan your career. And one of the biggest and rising domain is cyber security. So in this area of cyber security, even banking sectors and all requires a huge manpower related to this particular domain. And so you can think about this particular area also. My dear friends, I just want to tell you that, so we are not only now dependent on the tools and technology and products which are from foreign countries. Now we are enough strong, we have our own solutions. If you talk about Twitter, then we have our Q. When you talk about WhatsApp, then we have our Sandesh. I think I don't know whether you are aware or not, but Government of India has started our own WhatsApp that is named as Sandesh. Sandesh is the application used by government members to just chat like as you people are doing on WhatsApp. Even you might have heard about that. Even MIT has developed a CollabCAD solution that can be used for 3D design and engineering drawing tool. That is our own product, just like Adobe has. So similar to that, we have our login security platform Parichay. So that provides a one-stop authentication solutions. So I just want to, even just like you are using this WebEx, Google Meet, and all this. our government of India, we came up with our solution that is called Bharat VC. So for your information, we are India has world's strongest and most richest video conferencing solutions. And if we just put a number, just I want to show you how much strong enough we are in technology. So if we say during pandemic in 1 year, my dear friends, government of India conducted about 20 lakhs conferences have been conducted by government of India officials, including Prime Minister, President of India, Health Minister, and other members which were supposed to work to manage and control that pandemic. So that this number itself talks about the richness of our technology and our strength. So friends, it is important in this coming 3 years, my submission that this will be the really, game changer for you. It is going to decide what will be your future. So just plan the things, just take all this opportunity in positive way, plan your learning, not just like you were doing earlier. Focus on technology, focus on practicals, focus on knowledge, focus on logic, just not only on theory. That is my concern, and I will again suggest, even I will to all faculty members, that motivate your students to join the lab practices. Normally what happens, we are highly focused on theory classes because normally result depends on this. Generally 60% theory, 40% practicals, but I will request focus 40% on theory, 60% are practicals. So if you will go in that particular directions, so after completion of 3 years, you will be in position to get a good job, to get a good hands-on salary, and to definitely put your name in a big brand companies, and definitely your college will feel proud, your university will feel proud, and definitely your parents will feel proud. So similarly, when sir was talking about journalism, now this technology, the social media platforms and various media houses now gives a lots of opportunity to think how to write, how to present, how to draft articles, how to write stories about any particular topic. So lots of things are available, lots of platforms are available, which are available free of cost. Even IIT Kanpur is working wonderful to enrich the educational platforms. Ministry of Education is working and launching various platforms to learn free of cost, and you can get lots of knowledge related to each and every domain. Now the only thing is that you have to create zeal, you have to think, you have to be out of box. So that kind of mindset is required. And if you have any kind of doubts, definitely your faculty members are there. Luckily you have good staff and college. You have to think that now you are with India's one of the best technological university, Guru Gobind Singh the best university, with a good college and staff, having 15-20 years plus of experience. So that will definitely give you a guidance and an opportunity to go ahead. So with these words, I will again like to say thanks to organizing committee and inviting me and put my views in front of the young generation of India. And it's really good because I think 10 or 12 years back, I visited this institute, I think 1 or 2 times. But after this gap of a decade, I am again interacting with the students of that college. So it's really good for me. So thank you from my side. And again, all the best to all of you. Thank you.
Sir, for taking out your precious time and sharing your valuable thoughts on technology with our students. It was indeed very insightful. After listening to all these stalwarts